How to set up two-factor authentication 2FA in Microsoft 365. Want to secure your Microsoft 365 account with two-factor authentication? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up 2FA to protect your data. Important note: if you don't see the 2FA or security settings, your IT admin may need to enable multi-factor authentication for your account first. Also, the interface might vary slightly depending on your organization and role. Step 1. Sign into Microsoft 365. Go to portal.office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Step 2. Open Security Settings. Click your profile icon in the bottom left. Select View Account. Then click on Security Info from the left menu. If you don't see security info here, go directly to mysignins.microsoft.com/security-info. Step 3. Add a sign-in method. Now, click plus Add sign-in method. You'll see different options: Authenticator app, hardware token, or alternate email. For this guide, we'll use the Authenticator app, which is highly recommended for security. Step 5. Scan QR code. Back on your computer. Next, download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Tap Install to begin downloading the app. Once it's installed, tap Open. On the app's home screen, tap Add Account, then select Personal Account from the options. Now, back on your computer. Click Next. Click Next again. A QR code will appear. Use your phone to scan it. On your phone, select the Scan QR code option, then use it to scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Now, click Next on your computer. A 2-digit number will appear on the screen. Enter this number on your phone. Then tap Yes to approve the sign-in. The Microsoft Authenticator app is now set up and connected to your phone. Once verified, your two-factor authentication is active. The next time you sign in, you'll need your phone to approve the login.